Same word, same size. One of these looks like a dollar store label. The other looks like 5-star hotel. I didn't change the word. I changed the three tiny things about the font. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what those three things are. Most beginner think expensive looking means buying a fancy, expensive font. It doesn't. You can do this with a completely free font. I am going to prove it live starting from the ugly version. Rule number 1. Stroke contrast. Cheap looking fonts like default Arial have the same thickness all the way around every letter. Flat, no personality. Expensive fonts have dramatic thick and thin strokes. That's the exact detail brands like Vogue and Chanel build their whole logo around. Rule 2. Spacing. Give your letters room to breathe. Tight spacing feels rushed and cramped. That's what reads as cheap. Wide, even spacing feels calm and confident. Almost every luxury logo you have ever seen is spacing out on purpose. Rule 3. Restraint. And this is the one beginners get wrong the most. Use fewer fonts, not more. When you are new, mixing 4 or 5 fonts feels creative, but expensive brands almost always use just 1 or 2 fonts with a lot of empty space around them. So it was never about which specific font you buy. It's about contrast, spacing and restraint. Apply these 3 rules to any free font and it will look expensive.